Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakenhun yelak football jaga school H. Elias Higher Secondary School Shillong. Kepala yok Korea ke nam la do hak lempung yelak jong Subroto Cup 2019. Kepala long hanong ba Delhi. Nado ke singin kong bakala yok kejat hanong ba Shillong kum kanong job. Kala yok ya kejing syak pediang buram keba yai beteng klem sange. Haka arpun riu tarik benai nailur arjar kat kendai ke Sports Center. Kebalong ke Shlem di tiar yelak sport. Bat ke Des Restaurant kebalong ke Shlem di jingbam. Kibaran hak tain polo Shillong. Kila pen kuburam ya kani kakenhun yelak football hakabala sakilang dau district sports officer jongga East Casales district uba Daniel Dan ubalong kum kongsan hakaba ula IT ya kisopti badki memento balapan kre dau try jongga sports center uba Cliff Nongrum.
I also take this opportunity to congratulate the boys for their hard work to win the Subroto Cup final and also the coach and manager for bringing glory to the school and the state as a whole. And I wish them the best of luck for the future and a successful career ahead. From Sports Center, we have nothing much but a small token as an appreciation for your success.
It shows the passion for football here in Shillong. And there are people supporting football. And our boys are so honored by your organizing this one. We know that you are backing us. Our boys are able to play. They have got a brain here. Also, they got a brain on their legs. But the backing and support is given by people like Cliff, and also the simple, quiet way in which our DSO is working, and other sports department, sports fraternity. We are really grateful to you for the support and backup that you give. When we get these incentives, our boys will go, beyond national and international level. Very proud that SLA has did this one. And our boys, along with Bobby and Ben, did bring the cup back to Meghalaya after about 6 years. Thank you for this, this program. We are proud of you. We are grateful to you for backing us up.
It's a program for the winners champion of the Subroto Cup 2019. So I'd also like to thank Father through your hard work, through your dedication and cooperation that gives your school will be able to back this trophy. And also at the same time, I not to forget the chief coach Bobby and also the manager of the team for bringing this glory to our state. Actually, this is the beginning for your bright future, and I wish you, each and every one of you, the very best for your future.
Haga sengi babuat kata haga arfunyo tarik unai lor arjar kat kendai kedor bar snong nong siliang kalapun kup buram yakani ka kenhon yelek kai haga jingyelang kapala long ha plau jong ka school H. Elias Higher Secondary School Shillong. Haga ni ka juk ka sengi ka Khasi Students Union kala ai buram ya ka kenhon yelek kai jong ka ni ka school haga jingyelang kapala sakhilang do principal jong ka school H. Elias Higher Secondary School Reverend Father Sebastian Palati bat QA.
Kadang kadang ini kecil keban. Jom ni pun bersenang. Bahan kadang kadang school kepada rim kepada orang kadang senang jom ni. Kawan rajin job om tani api. Di school hindai buat ini tu di tung kesenang kata. Nak senang, ngam dolai ban om. Ia ibu ram api. hero manong kini hero baru kiba la yakun nak kementai jong pi kan school bat ke kawan rak buram bai dalam dekat du iki wei de kum ki coach bat kinong yarap kiba yarap iki ke ban lam iki se ke jingjap bat nang ta i ai buram ru ya ini nong penyat jo kan school dan du headmaster bat ki wei ru ki management kepada Iban Pek ke school di kena school bat kena hikai barat ba kecing itu sistem jompi kalau pelong yang kena kecing jom kalau penkemen am tak pi ndai kalau penkemen tu yang ini kong kesenang nomor ba kum hong kena ke school jompi katan hak senang jom ni ngamdan ni air ban sibun nga dan ini jing bentuk dia nomor habara keren deh bandan ini jing ong jing bentuk ba ndai tangani sisin bano ngala job tengin kutno kecing job kedai ban ya job kat padang la ban yukun kumbang Abdul Kalam Presiden Berim Jongi ubara krat no wong ini kitin don't take rest after your first victory because if you fail in the second more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just long. What nama I bakal long tak? Ketempat ya pi player bak ini nak berok bilang ya kius kemat baki nyai le ibandang jai job nak away ke victory si ke away ke victory. Kenang ba tiba kan kita mau kesudai ke jingdan kok. Kedai ke jingla, kedai ke jingla sistem bukan pelak ipi, pelak bandang ya kius kemat.